Updating your primary email on Epic Games is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your current account credentials. Make sure you have access to your existing email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once loaded in, click on your account name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access email settings. In the Account Settings menu, locate the General tab. Scroll down until you find the email address section where your current email is displayed. Step 4. Change your email address. Click on the Edit button next to your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm it by re-entering the same email. Step 5. Verify your new email. After submitting the new email address, check your inbox for verification email from Epic Games. Click the verification link in the email to complete the update process. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Epic Games will be successfully updated. Make sure to keep your account information secure and up to date.